See, healthy foods contain lots of energy, and your cells use lots of energy. Let me show you. Everybody wave to me. That takes energy. Now, shrug your shoulders. That takes energy. Now take a deep breath in and breathe it out. Even that takes energy. See, the more you move, the more energy you need. Well, where do your cells get that energy from? From food, right. But where was the energy before it was in the food? The sun. All the energy on the planet comes from the sun. And there's only one way to get the energy from the sun into your cells. And that way is through plants. Everybody say, plants. Plants have this amazing ability to capture the energy of the sun's rays and turn it into the molecules that we call food. It's a process called photosynthesis. Say photosynthesis. So food is just sun energy that's stored up by plants so you can eat it. Do you know how many different plants grow on this earth? No. The answer is 300,000 shrubs and trees and flowers. And shrubs and trees and flowers are all what? Plants. So out of 300,000 what? Plants. Humans can eat 30,000 different varieties of plants. There's 30,000 different kinds of greens and fruits and beans and roots and seeds and weeds and nuts and shoots all poking through the soil, reaching for the sun. And there's something cool about every single one. Some kids will say they don't like veggies. Put them in their pocket, then dump them outside. How can you say you don't like veggies with all those veggies you never, ever, ever even tried? Cassava, alfalfa, kohlrabi, and chard. Chickpeas, snow peas, sugar pea. Red leg and sorrel grown in your backyard. Along with dandelion greens and dandelion tea. There's 30,000 plants, watercress, peppergrass, wintergreen, broccoli. 30,000 plants, collard greens, butter beans, frijoles negros. Yes, 30,000 plants, artichokes, bamboo shoots, summer squash, succotash. 30,000 plants, sheep's purse, curly dock, daylilies. You can eat the flowers, even if you're a picky eater. You got yourself a real good chance of finding what you love among 30,000 what? Yes, plants you've never heard of, full of healthy things. Jumbo packets of special nutrients each one brings. Vitamins with letters A, B, C, D, E. Minerals like calcium, potassium. Where will they be? In the boysenberries, choke cherries, crabapple jam, fig, date, kumquat, lime, pawpaw, prickly pear, breadfruit, and yam, nectarine, tangerine, and clementine. 1,250 kinds of fruits, sapodilla, tomatillo, pomegranate, quince, 600 kinds of nuts, lychee nut, hazelnut, pistachio, amaranth. Now this is the new U.S. government My Plate, showing all the different food groups and how much food from each group you should eat every day. The orange section stands for grains, and that's your bread and your rice and your cereal and your pasta. And what are all of those grains made from? Plants. The green section is for vegetables. Vegetables are things like broccoli and peppers and corn. And what are they? Plants. And the red section is your fruits. Fruits are things like bananas and strawberries and oranges. And what are they? Plants. And the purple section is your proteins. And even that section has beans and nuts. And what are they? See, if you're eating plants, you can't go wrong. Which brings us right back to the song. Right back to 18,000 weeds. Pokeweed, chickweed, toothwort, jack by the hedge, and all the different kinds of seeds. Sunflower, sesame, acorn, ginkgo nut, carrot seed. Even if you're a picky eater, you got yourself a real good chance of finding what you love among 30,000 what? Try yourself a bunch of those 30,000. Why not sample all of those 30,000? 30,000 what? Give yourselves a high five. Give yourselves a low five. Point to yourself and say, I can feel great. You know, plants not only make you feel great, they're also fun to grow. Raise your hand if you've ever planted a garden. Look at all those hands. I'm thrilled to see that many of you are planting fruits and vegetables.
Hey, Kid Powell.
Yes.
Show them. Look at these tomatoes. We have so many. I think we should share them with the neighbors.
Yeah, gardening's totally cool. Watching a tiny little seed grow into a beautiful full-grown plant, you should try it.